Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez here by Fee Handcrafts. I've got a new box to open. Woohoo! So if you're just joining me, if you don't know who I am, I'm Fiona and I have my own by Fee Handcrafts, and I also am a Stampin' Up! Independence demonstrator. So if you're looking for my website, there it is for my Stampin' Up! And that's my February host code. If you're purchasing anything under $250, that'd be lovely if you use my host code. And if you're ordering over that, have a think about joining, because it's a really good joining sale at the moment, well, anytime really, but the Celebration gives you extra as well. So while Celebration is on, you get extra 2 free stamp sets if you join, and the starter kit price is $169, and you get to choose up to $235 worth of products, which is really good value. So have a think about that. Otherwise, if you just want to purchase for yourself, that's fine. If you're ordering over $250, don't use my host code, because you get to get the Stampin' Rewards for yourself. I give back to my customers, so everyone gets a free gift if you spend over $50 with me. So let's get into my box. See if anyone's joining me today. Let me know if you're watching, if you want to. You don't have to, but it'd be nice to say hi. I put an order in the other day because there's a new thing coming out. So as a demonstrator, and if you join as a demonstrator, even just a hobby demonstrator, you can buy things before they come out to customers. So you usually get about a month beforehand. Sorry, I'm just trying to get to the edge of this box here. And one of the things I got, oops, knocked my thing then, is called the Wave. I'll find it in a minute. It's in the box somewhere. It's in the box here somewhere. Lots of puffy air to keep everything nice. And what have we got today? Lots of fun things. Ooh. Okay, so the thing we'll get to the thing I'm talking about in a minute. It's Waves of the Ocean. Anyway, it's a beautiful set, and it's coming out to customers next month. So we'll talk about that in a minute. This is a paper trimmer blade. So if you've got one of the paper trimmers, it's a paper trimmer, looks like that. It has a guide here, but this one's in inches. So you can actually buy an extra guide, which is metric. So I decided to get one, because I wanted to use the centimetres the other day. That's it. So it's got centimetres on, and I'll put that onto my trimmer later. That's the trimmer guide. I bought a cat punch because I wanted one. Isn't that cute? I've already got the dog punch. I thought it's a good one to have. Go over here. Just put everything on the side table. Oh, gone all blurry. What happened? I must have put my hand under there. Hang on. Let me get my focus back. Let's get something to put into focus. Here we go. Get the focus back. Daffodil Daydream. I decided to get the Daffodil Daydream because the paper that's in the Celebration catalogue at the moment goes with it. Daffodil dies. So there's the stamps. Oh look, I love these sort of stamps. You can do lots of background on anything with those. There's a Happy Mother's Day. So, we've got Easter as well, so that's cool. Make some Easter cards. That's coming up. Nice little border as well. So they're cling stamps. They're the red rubber, and the dies that go with them. I'll just pull those out. Put that over there. Let's see what's in them, because I can't remember and I haven't got my catalogue in front of me. Oh, look at all those dies. Wow. Okay. So you can cut out extra by the look of that. Extra little daffodils. And you've got stalks, so you can build some daffodils with this, as well as cut out some of the stamps, I think. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Little butterfly in there too. Do you see that? So that's cool. Now this is the Waves dies. Let's find the stamps. Now we haven't been able to get the paper yet as demonstrators. We're still waiting on that. But as soon as it comes in, that's not it. What's this one? Oh, I got more rainbow paper. So that's a free Celebration item. If you spend $90, you get a free item. So that's my free item. I've already shown that before. I'm just trying to find the Waves Waves, here we go, Waves of Inspiration. So this is out to customers, I think it's March, I haven't got the dates in front of me, March, but if you joined you could put it in your starter kit now. This is gorgeous, look at that. I've seen some cards made with it already, so beautiful, just love it. And there's some paper in here that goes with it, so I'll show you the dies for this one too. I'll decide what to use in my live tomorrow night. For these new products I haven't used yet, but doing live every week means I can use them. That's great. And then make cards. I do sell cards too if anyone's interested in buying my cards. I sell the fancy ones, or generally the couple of layers for $8. If they're just a single layer card, they're only $6. So that's the dies. Now you might not be able to get your head around it yet, but there's some clouds in here. And these waves look awesome when you put them over the top of the stamp. And I saw one, so it's got a little label banner as well, which is great. They're really good for putting with the foils. So I'll show you the foils in a minute. Where are the foils? Let me just find the foils. There's my thank you. I'm looking for my thank you. There's my thank you. Thank you for your order. Pull that out. Oh, there's some nice papers in here. So this one, let's pull this one out, is the blue foils. I have to show you the blue foils while we're at it, because they are so pretty. You ready? How many colours have we got? We've got 2 colours. Oh, 3. Hang on. We've got the silver. It's the silver foil. Look at that. Oh, hang on, let me get the light on it. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Let me come closer. It's a bit hard. Oh, that's as close. It's not quite that blue. It's more green. It's not showing real well on here, is it? That's a greeny blue. That's a really deep blue. Beautiful. Pacific Point blue, that one. Maybe that's a better angle. I'm just trying to get the picture right on my iPad. Yeah, so this one here is looking quite blue in the picture on the computer, on the iPad, but it's a little greener in real life. Okay, it's got a beautiful, beautiful colour. Oh, hang on, there's another one there. What's that one? Oh, we got 2 blues. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, they're so pretty. So it tells you here, Night of Navy and Coastal Cabana. That's the colours. Wow. Oh, hang on, there's 6 pieces in here, so we must have 2 of each. I can't count. They're stuck together. I think they're stuck together. Yeah, they're stuck together. Look, there's 2 of those. 2 of those. And 2 of those. So that's actually not a navy, but it looks like... Oh, wow, that's interesting, isn't it? There you go. There's 3. 2 of each colour. That's a better picture. There we go. Very, very pretty, and it looks awesome when it's die cut with the dies over the stamps. I know, I'm going to have to do one of those, aren't I? What else have we got here? Okay, this is another celebration item, so that's a $90 spend. You can get these stamps. They're really cute, and they're the rubber. Which one's this? Oh, I got a few because I spent a little bit. Island Vibes. I love this. This is gorgeous. We're going to have to play with that. Maybe we should play with that tomorrow night. And I bought the rain boots. Look. Flowering rain boots. So if you're familiar with the Kits collection, there's actually, what's it called? Weather. I can't think of the name of it. The weather one. The weather one already has some boots in it that are already printed and cut out in the kit. But the stamps like have other things in it, so you could actually work with this and the stamps from the kit together. That's the thing I like about Stampin' Up. It's you can coordinate things and bring other things across. So they're the rain boot dies. While we're opening them all, hey, let's just open another one. No matter the weather, that's what the kit's called. I've got a kits class on Sunday, this Sunday coming. If anyone's interested, I do it locally in Piedmont in a cafe. So just have a look on my Stampin' Up website if you're interested in that, so that you can die cut the boots, and there's this gorgeous pattern here so you can make different things. Look, there's a little square, rectangle there, which will go around something. Oh, here we go. So that'll cut out that little one there. Sorry, I bumped the thing. This one. We can die cut that out. Die cut the flowers out, the pot, the water can, the little grassy bits here. Cool, and the little flower heads, tulip heads. Oh, it's gorgeous. Have a bit of fun with that. Put them away. Right, what else have we got in the box? I had to get some shimmer paper, shimmery white A4, because I'm doing a shadow box class on the 26th, and I'm in the process of putting my shadow box together, but I'm using some of the shimmery cardstock. I don't think you can see it on here, but it actually shimmers. In real life, it shimmers. Out of the packet it shimmers, but I won't open it yet. And I've just bought some more fresh freesia. That's all that's under there because I was running low on that. What else have we got in here? I just got a couple of other extra things. Chevron weave ribbon, and that's in Evening Evergreen, the colour. And that looks like that. It's quite a nice ribbon. Didn't have any of that yet. The Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels. So this is part of the Waves one, the Waves of the Ocean. That's coming out in March. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they're so gorgeous. Should have bought 2 of those. Next order. They're so pretty. Now I got some from my Heart Faceted Gems, just because they're so pretty. Let's have a look at them. If I didn't have any yet. Look at them. You see them? You could even use these in a shaker card if you wanted to. They're very pretty. And oh no, it's not the last one. I've got something. These are good for shaker cards as well. So shaker shapes. So you can put them in your shaker cards too. So Stampin' Up has a few shaker domes, different shapes in the catalogue. If you have a look online, just search shaker, the word shaker domes, and see what comes up. We've got a few different ones, and the next one, oh, this is pretty. So this is the Supple Shimmer 12 by 12 specialty paper. I'll open that one. Sorry, it's a bit noisy, isn't it? Let's get it out of the box. Look at that. Oh, and again, this is like the rainbow. I love the Stampin' Up shimmer papers because they don't come off on your hands. Do they? No. Can you see that? Rub it. Nothing. And I absolutely love that about these because I love glimmer and shimmer and all that. But I don't like using the ones where the sparkles come off. So that is really pretty. Look at that. Woohoo! Love it. Oh, that is so pretty. So you could make a card with that, and you could put some of those on, or you could even use it on your waves. Look. Getting carried away now. Okay, so that's my little unboxing today. Thank you for joining me, and if you're interested in purchasing anything or joining my team, let me know. While Celebration is on, Celebration has been extended to the 16th of March because we had trouble getting things at the beginning of it. So Stampin' Up extended it, which was very nice of them, which means you have until the 16th of March to shop and get Celebration items. Okay, so that's me for today. Thanks for joining me. Ciao.